here. So I just realized I'm sitting here trying to edit my cleaning video that I did the other day, and I realized that I didn't even do an intro or an outro for that matter. So I'm like, you know what, let me get on here real quick and give you some current time right now. So I'm sitting here drinking my hot tea, you guys. Y'all already know, they say drink a little bit of hot stuff with some citrus stuff in it. So I got me some lemon juice in here and some hot tea. Just sipping away, working and editing at the same time. Oh, my neighbors finally decided to come out. They ain't been out the house all week long. But anyway, that's just nosy me. I ain't got nothing else to do but sit at this window and work and be nosy and see what's going on today. But anyway, I hope y'all guys are being safe out there. Make sure y'all washing y'all hands and your tail, okay? Make sure you're doing both. Make sure you're doing both, especially if you're in the house. Because I'm sitting here chilling right now. But anyway, yeah, so I did do an intro for my cleaning video. So this is the intro, and this is going to be the outro, okay? So I hope you guys are being safe out there. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing well. We're doing well over here as well. If I say well one more time, that's how you know I'm bored and I'm hyped up. Hyped up for what? But anyway, if y'all know somebody that's out just roaming the streets, out and about passing this thing along, tell them to go sit down somewhere. Sit down, okay? Because we got stuff to do. We got places to go, people to see, a little bit of money to spend. Ain't a lot. It ain't a lot, but it's a little bit. We got money to spend, places to go, things to do, people to see. We need to get this thing over with, y'all. So if y'all know somebody in the streets just roaming around, ain't got nothing to do, and they just at the Walmart for no reason, tell them to go sit down. Sit down somewhere, okay? Go sit down. Hey, go sit down. Hey, go sit down. Hey, okay, that's enough. All right, y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And make sure y'all like the video. Make sure you comment down below and let me know whatever else you guys want to see from Miss Lovely. And thank you guys also thank you guys for supporting your girl on my cooking video. I got some good responses from you guys. So if you guys want me to share some more recipes and some more cooking videos, then you guys comment down below. Comment down below. Hey, comment down below. Hey, comment down below. Comment down below. Hey, comment down below. When boredom strikes, this is what happens when boredom strikes. All right, you guys, I've been rambling long enough. Let's get into the video.
Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Can't help the rhythm, it's making me no good. I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Or would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need, yeah. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play it safe. We hide away inside our cage. Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Ay, can't have the rhythm, it's making me no good. And I don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow, I can't bloom, so get out of my face. Oh, would you give me some air? Try to be more aware of what I need. You don't know what I need. One mistake, till we break. One more night, one more fight. Sleep it off, then we play how you move forward and still go against the tide. Yeah. Who did you make? Who made you strong? Yeah. Did you get help when that was rough? Yeah, yeah. Tell me your story. How did you make your dreams come true? Yeah. You're so strong. I wanna be strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. 'Cause you're so strong. I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old, when I grow old, yeah. When I grow old, when I grow old. Tell me your story. How did you find your peace alive? Yeah, oh yeah. Who made your heart smile and made you lose on track of time? Yeah. Do you think I'd help by your side all day and night? Someone to care about and do you right. You still wrote your story when nobody believed in you. Yeah. You're so strong. I wanna be strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. 'Cause you're so strong. I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old, when I grow old, when I grow old, when I grow when I grow old, when I grow old, I wanna be just like you, you, you. When I grow old. Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just let me like you do. Oh, let me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dream